And the last digital product that we're going to recreate today is an oil painting. I'd say that comparing to all other AI tools for today, Midjourney is significantly better in terms of fine art. This image I have here is Starry Night by Van Gogh, and it is very, very well known, and also Midjourney will do very well with it. But what you should know is that Midjourney is very capable of these different styles with oil painting, including impasto, impressionism, and all of this stuff. It knows perfectly the difference, and it is capable of making this difference. You will also see this difference. The other AIs are not so good with it. Midjourney knows different styles, like I said, impasto, impressionism, expressionism, and so on. It also knows so many different artists, and when you write in the style of somebody, it will most likely, if it's someone famous, it will just make it in the style of someone. Oh, look, a cute Pokemon here. What are you doing here? Okay, so these are not okay, these are not okay, these are... Why is this lady here? To get even better similarity, we can just skip this. The Starry Night of Vincent van Gogh. Oil painting on canvas, high resolution, high quality, high detail. I don't think that it actually matters. By the way, what I'd like to say as well, these descriptive prompts that Midjourney gives you, it doesn't mean that Midjourney understands all of these words and that these words mean something to Midjourney when it recreates something. I think that this high resolution, high quality, high details are most likely to be skipped. At least we can keep just one. Masterpiece, yes, it's good. Masterpiece artwork, we'll skip. Full body portrait in the style of Van Gogh, okay. Dark blue sky with swirling stars, yes. Bright yellow moon above, village. Okay, that seems okay now. You see, even when it describes, it can write something very strange. Okay, I think that this should be what we're aiming for. This is not about creating a copy. This is about creating something in the style of the original, in the color scheme of the original, and as you see, it's just perfect. So I don't think that any other AI can cope better with a task like this. So with a proper prompt, with your original image as a reference, you can really count that you will have a very, very similar result. So with oil painting and with all kinds of fine art, Midjourney is way ahead of the competitors. Please remember that.